Tired of missing crucial updates and drowning in project management chaos? Let's streamline your workflow by mastering Basecamp notifications in just a minute and a half. First, navigate to your Basecamp account. You should see a list of your projects. On the home screen, choose the project you want to customize notifications for. Click on it to enter the project space. Once inside the project, look at the top right corner of your screen. You should see your profile picture or initials. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, find and click on the option labeled My Notifications. This will take you to your notification settings page. Alright, here's where the magic happens. You'll see different sections for various notification types like messages, to-dos, and campfire chats. Each section will have toggles or checkboxes. Expand each section to see detailed customization options. You can usually choose between instant email notifications, daily summaries, or completely turning off notifications for that specific type. Experiment with these settings to find the perfect balance that keeps you informed without overwhelming you. For urgent items like to-do deadlines, you might want instant notifications. For general updates, a daily digest might be sufficient. After customizing your preferences, be sure to scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Save or Update Settings button. This will ensure that your new notification preferences are applied. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Basecamp notifications. Now you can stay on top of your projects without getting bogged down in unnecessary alerts. Remember to revisit these settings periodically as your project needs evolve. Happy collaborating!